Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. Today I'm going to be showing you my wash day routine for my dry, damaged hair. I use heat a lot and today I'm going to be showing you how I retain moisture and get my hair back to its natural state. So the number one thing that's really important for when I'm wearing my hair natural is that I always sleep with it on top of my head. Like I never sleep with it down. I never put it in any other style while I sleep. This is what helps me be able to wear my hair over and over again without having to wash it. So for example, the hair that you're seeing right now is 5 days old. I haven't washed it in 5 days, which is a really long time for natural hair for me. Normally if my hair was heat styled, that would be not a problem at all. But if I have my hair curly or wavy, it's just so knotted after one night. So I usually have to wash it every day or every second day. But with this routine, I've made a big change and I've stopped using a brush, which is a lot better for my damaged hair. So what I do is I separate the strands of hair. I do this every single day. I basically just pull apart my hair, and it's a really effective way to maintain tangle-free hair, which has been a lot easier than using a brush for me because it means I don't have to go back in with water after. Just so happens that today is a wash day routine, so we are going to follow up with a mask and shower. Since my hair is really damaged, I always do a mask, like always, never fails. I'm using either coconut oil or a coconut mask like today. I find that coconut oil is one of the most effective ways to treat damaged hair, and I read something about how it can actually fit into the hair cuticle, so it can repair from the inside and it doesn't just put like a shield of moisture over your hair. It actually effectively works on your hair, so that's why I like using coconut products, and this is what I'm going to put all throughout my hair until my hair is completely saturated. I used to believe in my past curly hair routines that it would be really effective to put a steaming t-shirt or something with steam over the hair to penetrate the mask into the hair deeper, but I'm not sure. I'm in the middle of doing some research and I'm not sure that that's the best method for my hair, so I'm going to be using this mask just normally and then showering after 20 minutes of the mask sitting there. When I'm actually in the shower, I behave very, very gently with my hair. I don't toss it around and I do everything in my power to not create more tangles, which means I won't have to go in with a brush after, which obviously saves me from a lot of breakage. And if you didn't know, hair is most fragile when it's wet, so it's really important to do this. I'm going to be using this build-up buster from Diva Curl. This is a water cleanser for your hair. It's like a serum that you pour over your scalp and then you massage it in to reduce all of the buildup and clarify the skin underneath your hair. So that's that's a fun way of saying scalp. It's a very clarifying product, and this is something you can put through the entire shaft of the hair, but I like to do this just on my scalp and then I'll do a co-wash routine. I rarely use shampoo on my hair, but I do use something when I have enough product buildup, and that's the Kinky Curly Come Clean. I won't be using it today, but I just want to show you what I do. If you prefer to wash the entire length of your hair, then I highly recommend that product. And after I've ran my fingers all through my scalp and I've got all that product out, I rinse it and then I use my Coconut Curls conditioner. This is from the drugstore. I basically put this on the top of my hair. Wherever you would put shampoo, this is where I put the conditioner. So I'll be using it as a co-wash today. And even though it's really light, which I wasn't expecting when I first started using this is one of the more effective conditioners I've tried lately. So that's why I wanted to include it in this routine. Plus it's very affordable. So I'll let that sit on my hair, finish up my shower, and then I'll rinse it out and get out of the shower and continue with the routine. There's usually a 15-minute gap before I start dealing with my hair. I'll put on my makeup or something. So now my hair is a little bit air dried and I'm going to finger pull apart the curls, just kind of finger detangle it gently. And this is just to make sure that I'm not starting with hair that's super tangled. I'm going to take the Curl Charisma Avocado Leave-In Treatment. This is very hydrating, so I really like this product. And I apply a lot of this in a scrunching technique. I'll pull this through the hair, I'll scrunch up the hair. I basically do whatever I can just to get this into my hair, and I add a lot of product. One of my favorite things to use in my hair after I put in a product is coconut oil, and I use this on a daily basis as well. This is just to maintain my hair, so I put it in on the first day right after my wash, but I tend to use more organic coconut oil as the week goes on. So today I'm mainly going to put it in the front of my hair, and this is for really good hydration. So this part of the video could go either in an air drying direction or a heat drying direction, depending on what I have to do today. I mean, it's winter, I have things to do outside, so I'm gonna have a little bit of an opportunity here to put my t-shirt on my head, put my hair up, and let the moisture kind of soak into the t-shirt. But I do have things to do after about an hour or so. I decide to take the t-shirt off and I'm gonna diffuse my hair to let it completely dry. I've never actually timed how long it takes for my hair to dry. Comment below if you know how long it takes for your hair to dry. Like for me, I'm thinking 8 or 9 hours because I'll wash it in the morning and then it takes all the way until after dinner for it to dry. So when it's cold outside, that's just not practical at all. I'm going to diffuse my hair 100% until it's completely dry, but I don't use it on a really high setting. So I'm saving myself a little bit of heat damage there. So here is the final result. This is what my hair looks like. It is 100% dry now, and I'll wear this hair for several days in a row. I hope you guys enjoyed this routine, and I hope it helps those of you who have been heat styling your hair for a really long time and want to start maintaining healthier hair. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.